Well, it goes without saying that violent images are horrifying to watch. It's why NBC News has a longstanding policy of not showing them on TV. We'll typically freeze a video before the moment of impact, we'll blur out the gory parts, and we'll give a warning like the one you heard right before this story began. But on social media, it only takes seconds for a violent video to spread across the world. We saw this yesterday when conservative activist Charlie Kirk was shot and killed. And we saw it last month when Ukrainian refugee Irina Zarutska was stabbed and killed on a train in Charlotte.
Because it is that unanticipated, unexpected shock that can lead to negative psychological impact.
Psychology professor Jashawn Mance at Howard University studies trauma and mental health. She says it can be easy to fall into a trap of doom scrolling, especially when you see something upsetting. But it's important to take breaks from social media.
Essentially, your central nervous system is reacting and responding and is activated. And so kind of engaging in activities that can kind of allow you for a reset.
News 4 reached out to social media companies to ask what their policies are around violent videos. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and WhatsApp. The company says the Charlie Kirk killing videos won't necessarily be taken down, but will instead have a sensitive warning label and be restricted to users 18 and up. According to Meta's website, sometimes those experiences and issues involve violence and graphic images that are of public interest or concern, such as human rights abuses or acts of terrorism. In many instances, when people share this type of content, they are condemning it or raising awareness about it. As for TikTok, the company says it doesn't allow gory, gruesome, disturbing, or extremely violent content, and they're putting in extra safeguards to keep people from unexpectedly seeing videos that violate their rules. However, TikTok's guidelines say some content is allowed under a public interest exception. Those videos are not shown in the For You feed and also have a warning label and are restricted to 18 and up. But regardless of the policies, Professor Mance says it's important to maintain humanity before sharing these videos.
And just being mindful, if we're your family member, would you want that content spread across social media for millions to comment?
Amy Cho, News 4.
Now, TikTok also said in a statement today, we are saddened by the assassination of Charlie Kirk and send our deepest condolences to his wife, Erica, their 2 young children, and their family and friends. Quote, these horrific violent acts have no place in our society. In a statement, a spokesperson for the social media platform X said its users can share graphic media if it's properly labeled, not prominently displayed, and not overly gory. As it pertains to videos that show a person being killed, only a family member or representative can request those videos be taken down. X says it weighs the importance of keeping a robust public record against the family's wishes in deciding whether to remove a video.